Hello, I'm going to show you how to enable one-shot assassinations in Assassin's Creed Shadows. If this video helps you, please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's turn on classic one-shot assassinations. First, open the game's settings from the main menu or while you're playing. Alright, look through the gameplay options until you find the assassination-related setting. If your version of the game includes the guaranteed assassination option, simply enable it and save your changes. Now, jump back into the game and test it on a normal enemy while remaining fully undetected. Once you successfully perform a stealth assassination, enemies should go down instantly instead of relying on damage calculations. Keep in mind that special encounters or unique enemies may still follow their own gameplay rules, so stealth timing remains important. This setting is perfect if you prefer the classic Assassin's Creed experience, where planning your approach is more important than enemy health bars. And that's how you enable one-shot assassinations in Assassin's Creed Shadows.